Hey, why? Morning. Oh, just kidding. So we are at the Garden of the Gods. We're looking at the visitor center here before we go on a 10-hour hike. Just kidding. Oh, might just be looking at the visitor center only. Oh, so there's the mountains. They have a cafe upstairs. We have a line of cars behind us as we walk in the middle of the street. Oh, this is neat. Oh, that's cool. Look at them bison. Oh, dinosaurs. Oh, that's cool. There's exhibits over there. Cool. Here's the different animals I guess you find out here. Bald eagle. That's cool. Look at this bear. Yeah, a little red fox here.
Yeah, what do you think this one is?
Raccoon.
Okay, which is
Here's a bear for sure.
What do you think this is?
Here's some feces. Black bear crab.
I know what this
What do you think that is? That's probably a hamster. It's a bat. That's definitely a deer. Rabbit. Okay, that's a deer. Coyote. That's a deer.
Yeah.
Okay, finally. And that is a mule. Oh, I'm just kidding. Couldn't even think of another animal name. It's an arrowhead. Buffalo parts. Oh, that's cool. Sandstone. It's a pretty big shop.
Hi, Dad.
Whoa! This construction's ruining my view. Okay, let's head in. there's the different rocks out there. Okay. So these are what you see in the distance out there. And that's where we are over there in the visitor center. Taking a nice walk around Old Town. Wherever we are, Colorado Springs. Got an early start. Plenty of parking. Pop in some of these shops, see what's going on. You looking at a flask? You gonna start drinking? There's a ton of cool hoodies right here. Mother Muff's Kitchen. Do you see that painting up there by the window? That's cool. These like random train pieces are pretty cool. Alrighty, so we are at the airplane restaurant where you can eat inside of an airplane. Barbecue bomber burger. Reuben von Crashed. So it's cool we're eating inside of an airplane. Wilder's sitting up there in the cockpit right now flying this son of a gun. Is that why we've stopped? Take a look. Look at this. Pretty neat.
Oh! Hey, what's that?
Oh, Sissy's here.
What's that?
You know what you're gonna get?
Okay, sit
Yeah.
right there.
So right here?
I was stuck at airplane.
Well, I was pilot, co-pilot.
Oh, this is cool.
Okay,
Cheese,
ready?
guys. Hot land and say cheese.
We're here.
Bye-bye.
Okay, the airplane's not
So you guys all know
flying.
what you're gonna order?
Yeah.
Hey,
Wow, we're flying this plane.
Remy, the airplane's not
Whoa,
flying.
shh.
Okay, and make sure get your seatbelts on.
Okay.
Whoa. we can't mind see that.
Flip the switches,
Okay.
the levers.
And
Here, let's go see what Landon's doing.
Danny, get the pirate.
This little area. It's a nice plane. You ready to go sit down?
Yes, and I am the German.
Alright guys, come sit down and we'll play in a minute, okay?
Whoa. Let me sit in this airplane seat.
Okay? Hey, Dad, I have a good area.
Oh, this is cool.
Hey, can I sit right here? Can I sit right here?
Yeah, you could sit here just 1 second.
And all you do
This is cool. Oh, this is cool. Look at the wing going through the restaurant. The cool restaurant. Look at this guy. Fly girls, fly boys.
all just like that.
Got some hot wings. What'd you get? Mac
The
and
hot
cheese.
dog is black.
It's not. It just looks that way. That's how I see you taking a bite.
Is it hot? Look at that. That looks delicious. Got a teriyaki burger.
Daddy, look at this hot dog.
Whoa, that looks like a good hot dog. It's delicious. What'd you think of your food? Delicious. Your wings good?
My corn dog was delicious.
Your corn dog was delicious. That's probably the most you've ate on this whole trip.
We ate a lot of frosted flakes.
All I know is my burger was delicious. Me and Heather went halvesies on a burger and a Philly, and they were both really good. Airplane restaurant surprised me. Really good. Yeah, Amelia Earhart. For some reason, I just could not think of her name. Whoa, look at the propeller. It's going through the side of a building. This is cool. Oh, that's cool. I like this place.
Crazy how this airplane's coming in here.
Yeah, this is the wing of the plane we were in. I got the Red Baron's plane up there. This is cool. Really neat. Really neat. Just got done eating at the airplane restaurant, and we are all very happy with what we got. Totally recommend it. It's a little pricey, but you're paying for the experience. Oh, get to sit inside of an airplane and eat, and play inside the cockpit. That was fun, and the food was delicious. Definitely recommend. So here's the airplane you can eat inside. That's where we were sitting up there. That's cool. That's neat. Cool. So we're walking around Manitou Springs. We can go the other way if you want. Got some pretty cool looking shops. The Hooting Owl. Oh, we should get that for me. Oh. This building looks pretty cool, except what is the Loop?
The restaurant.
Oh, nice.
We have to go the other way.
This restaurant looks cool. The Loop. The Mountain Man. What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. There's this little creek here. Oh, I like that. How's your ice cream?
Delicious.
Is it?
Now it's gone.
Butterscotch shake.
I don't remember how far we
Look at that place over there. Chocolate and ice cream.
They're right there.
Yeah, I like that guy. He was nice enough.
It was weird how they did it. How it was just vanilla, but add toppings.
Yeah, I guess it's just easier. There's that coffee and bakery. Christmas in Manitou. Oh man, I can't go in Christmas stores. Rocky Mountain beignets. What is that? Where's that lead? We're at Fargo's Pizza Company. I checked this place out. Looks really neat. It's supposed to be really big and like elegant inside, but yet they serve pizza. I don't know. Looks pretty cool. It's got a stagecoach. This place looks neat on the outside. Looks cool in here. This is a pretty cool restaurant.